we're connecting again to our device. So this time, what we want to see is how to the template that we populated, how to upload this into StockMagic before you begin your stock count. Yeah. Okay. So we need to launch StockMagic. Skip. We'll go to master list, and then at the bottom of the screen you see import master list. Okay. So import master list. So this takes us to where the file is. Okay. Then we'll click on import template. So it's importing master stock list, depending on the number of items being imported. So this might take just a minute or two. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, it's done. 1920 items was imported. We're done importing. So what we need to do is to go and start scanning. So the scan page is empty. So if you have some data there, you can just come here and delete all the old stock count. So the next step here now is to connect your device to a Bluetooth scanner. Yeah, if you have used this device before, the last count will be here. So you need to delete it. Clear it and start afresh. Yes. So now the next step here is not to start your stock count. The next step, you can only start stock count if you are not scanning. So, but you want to, the essence of StockMagic is to scan, and that is what gives us speed and even accuracy. Yeah. So now, from this stage now, what we need to do is to connect the device to a Bluetooth scanner. Okay. So this will be done in another video. Okay. Okay. So, but let me just quickly talk about StockMagic, like what we are seeing now on the screen. Okay. Yeah. So this is the StockMagic dashboard. So there are just 4 buttons there. The scan items, that is where we do our stock count. Then we have the master list, that is where we import our master list. That's data from the client's software. So we import it there. Yeah. Then the share button is for us to share the StockMagic with other people. And the about is where we talk about StockMagic